Good morning. Sorry, pasensya na sa magulong camera. Magulong video. Hindi steady kaya pinapaalalahanan ko na kayo na hindi steady ang ating video ngayon. Nangyari kahapon. Our week 3 vlog. Boom! Greetings, Wabanatics. Our energetic host, Waisasi, kick off the third week of our CVAP journey with her usual enthusiasm. The session began with a lively sumustahan setting. This week focused on craft and creativity, led by knowledgeable Ma'am Janine Santos. Ma'am Janine delved into the vital topic of voice care, a subject I must admit I've neglected. Despite my penchant for coffee, sabi nga daw nila, coffee is life. Ma'am Janine advice on creative tips resonated with me, particularly her emphasis on the importance of regular practice. Ma'am Janine suggestion to practice tongue twister and unfamiliar words to improve pronunciation struck a chord with me. During the session, I even took the initiative to search for tongue twister samples to practice my diction. Moreover, Ma'am Janine's insight on script annotation, including the use of symbols such as arrows, commas, and slashes, proved invaluable. I immediately applied this technique to my previous output, enhancing it with human sound effects and emotional. Mga ba yan? Gaya nung siguro sa 5 variety, yung sinamahan ko siya ng reacts. Yan. And then, however, Ma'am Janine's revelation about the harmful effects of coffee on the voice track accord with me, as I am admittedly guilty of indulging in multiple cups a day. Siguro mga 3 times a day. Pampatulog at pampagising ko ang coffee. After a refreshing 1-hour break, trainer Donna V took the stage for the afternoon session. She shared her story through a short video before diving into the agenda, the dubbing process, and the script translation. Miss Donna introduced us to symbols used in scripting to aid dubbers in their performance. The highlight of the session was dubbing challenge, where each trainee had to dub a character from an animated clip. I selected Bubble, whose lines were unexpectedly short yet amusing. Following everyone's performance, we transitioned to the Zoom artist segment, a part of the assignment I eagerly anticipated of all the tasks. And thus, week 3 comes to a close, leaving me eager for the challenges and growth opportunities that lie ahead. So, this is Swaboys, your swabbing voice mate of Batch 25, signing off again. At abangan nyo ang aking last vlog sa week 4. Ciao!